Morning, everyone. Let's get right into it. I swear I brought a coffee down with me, but I've lost it. We're casting. I think you've seen in maybe one of my last videos here. So, I was working on two 30s. So let's get this ready to go. We got Bakey here. Bakey's overseeing things. Oh yeah, he's such a good boy. Okay, let's see if we can zoom this in a little bit right there to the casting area. Let's get a pair of gloves on. Let's get a pair of gloves on, Frank. Come on. Come on, Frankie boy. There we go, glasses. We need some glasses too. Okay, so I'm not gonna fuck around too much. It's gonna be just a casting video. We got the torch on. Do we have a, do we have a lighter anywhere? Where's the lighter, buddy? There's the lighter. Look at my buddy Jordy. It makes these epoxy lighter holders. Pretty cool. There's a Spirit of the Woods there. Okay, let's get that there. Crucible. Okay, look, maybe what we should do is wind this up. How many times are we gonna wind that up? Catches there. 1, 2, 3. Geez, I'm having problems this morning. 4. 4 nice winds. I know my machine. That's what my machine likes. Okay, let's get the a new crucible. We got the gold in there. Okay. Let's get this holder back in there. That's the holder we're gonna need for a small. Look at the great burnout. Nice and crisp and white. Ah, come on, sweetie. Okay, get that all in there, locked down. Listen to the volume, right? Okay. 4 ounces. A little bit of a pinch of that right there. Look at that. Awesome. Ready? And that's casting. Casting 101. Let's put the, you know, I like to put the tools away kinda as I'm going so that it makes life a little bit easier, okay? Now, these are millimeter and a half in thickness. So, while the crucible is nice and clean. That's a new crucible. I pre-fluxed it. So you make it wet with it, and then you just rub flux into it before you throw it into the oven at night. Okay, let's see. Let's see what this looks like. Come on, sweetie. Oh yeah. Okay. So have a great day, you guys. Get up, get at her, call somebody. Marco's coming to take me for a nice Chinese, not Chinese, what do you call it? Fish and chips. We do fish and chips once a month on a Tuesday. Real nice, a place down the road here. They've got a senior special, so if you're over 60, it's all fish you can eat and chips. And it's, Austin Fish House on Harris Road, Harris and Lougheed. Right by that little theater there, there's a Starbucks there. Really nice people. You gotta go. You gotta give it a try. They got all sorts of other great food and things like that. Okay, so get up, get at her, get her done. Be kind to your dog. Call your pals. Go for lunch. Have a great day. Okay, we changed the angle just a little bit. Swung around to the sink. It's been 5 minutes or so. Yeah, it's gonna sound a little hot, but that's okay. Look at that. Put your tools away. Put that away. I don't need it anymore today. Put it in its spot. Okay, look at that. Look at how it bubbled. It's done. Okay, let's I start with maybe just cleaning out the flask. Put that in its go-to spot. Everything's kind of got a little spot. This way you're not looking for things. You kind of psychologically, you know where things are. You work your way through it. Okay. Look at how beautiful these turned out. Now, I didn't turn the steamer on, but I got this on. Hot as you can get it. We'll top that up a little bit. Okay, this is, there's nothing there. Okay, that might be a little too hot to work with. Oh, let's turn it up a bit now. Yeah. Those turned out perfect. So maybe the next video, let's move this back a little bit. Next video, I'll try to find my coffee. We'll have a little coffee together. Oh, I got the washing machine going upstairs. That's nice. So I made two. I got one here, one pin here, and then the other one's going to come down the pipe and get sent over to me. Oh, yeah. Do I got two glasses on? No, I don't. Where are my work glasses went? Okay, you guys, have a great day.